In this video, we'll review how to set up your Kanban board and actually review it. So here you can see in my home tab, I have my swim lanes development, integrated dev, QA, and production. So as ideally you create your branches, they'll always be default in dev. But as you deploy these to higher environments, this will automatically move over here to integrated dev, to QA, or production, for example. One thing to keep in mind, your orgs could look different than this. This is just relevant to my org here. But in order to establish your swim lanes, we need to click on this tab. Now here you can see I already have these set up, but your org should look blank. In order to create a new one, we'll click New. Now ideally, your first swim lane should be development. Now your order, this will always be number 1. Your icon, you can select development over here. Now this would be your default swim lane. So if I were to submit this, dev would be created. Now, if I click cancel here, pretend I click submit. In order to create your second one, just repeat the process. For new, we can name this QA, for example, and the order would be number 2. Now, it wouldn't be your default swim lane anymore. That's only relevant to development. Your icon, select QA, and then you keep repeating that process. As you add your swim lanes, it's going to automatically be populated under here over the home tab. Now, in order for these user stories to automatically be populated in these swim lanes, you need to tie your swim lanes to an environment. So if I click on my orgs tab, I'll use my sandbox again as a good example. If I click on my sandbox in the details tab, we can see down below, I've assigned this to the development swim lane. So you'll need to repeat this process for all development sandboxes, your QA org, UAT, production, or whatever else you have. Once you have all of these defined within the orgs, your home tab, aka your Kanban board, will update automatically for you.